So let's talk about uploading files and media to a Blackboard post or an assignment or anything that gives you this text interface inside of Blackboard. So the first thing that you're going to look for is you're going to look for the paperclip, which is the attachment button. So we're going to click that. And then you go on your computer and you find what you want to upload. So I'm going to get this AI generated artwork. And then it's going to have a display name, which you can leave. If this is an image that's just decorative, it doesn't really have any meaning to your post, then you could mark it as decorative. And the reason it asks that is when you fill out this next thing, it's the alternative text. And what alternative text is a description for those that have a visual impairment and have to use a screen reader to tell them what's on the screen. So for this AI generated image, we're also going to use an AI generated text that describes it. It says a grand library blends classical architecture, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And then you can choose whether you want it to just be viewed, downloaded, or view and downloaded. And we're just going to click view and download it and then hit save. And when it does this, if it's an image like this one, it will actually show it directly into the text, and you can still type above it or below it or whatever you need. If it's a video, it'll show a little clip of it. If it's a file, it'll just show a gray box that shows what the file name is. So if you have something from the web and you want to upload from there, you look for this plus icon and it says insert content. And then in this case, we'll say image, but it works the same for media. We'll hit image and then we'll grab a URL of a placeholder image. And we won't give it any alt text just because we've already described what it is. And it's not that big of a deal for a demonstration purpose. But when you're using this, please give it alt text. And we'll hit insert. And now we have this hello world image. And again, we can type below it. We can type above it. But overall, this is generally how you go about uploading files and media to Blackboard.